Every beginner opens a chart the same way. They immediately start looking at candles. Some check RSI, others look at MACD, some start drawing trend lines. I don't. In fact, candles are only the second thing I look at. The first thing I check takes less than 3 seconds, and it completely changes how I understand chart. Before I predict anything, before I draw a single trend line, before I think about buying or selling, I ask myself one simple question. What kind of market am I looking at? That one question changes everything. Most beginners focus on candles. I focus on behavior. Many people see candles. I see behavior. Every chart tells a story. But if you don't first identify the type of market, every indicator becomes confusing. That's why professional traders don't begin with indicators. They begin with context. Look at this chart. What do you notice? Price keeps making higher highs and higher lows. Buyers remain in control. Pullbacks happen, but the overall direction stays upward. This is an uptrend. Now look at this one. What changed? Lower highs, lower lows. Sellers dominate. Every bounce struggles to move higher. This is a downtrend. And now, this chart, is it moving higher? Lower? Neither. Buyers and sellers are balanced. Price keeps moving inside a range. This is where many beginners lose money because they mistake movement for opportunity. Whenever I open a chart, I don't ask, should I buy? Or should I sell? I ask only one question. Is this market going up, going down, or going nowhere? That's it. Once I know the answer, every other decision becomes easier. Context first, analysis second. Let's use a real chart. The first instinct is usually to look at today's candle. Don't. Instead, zoom out. Suddenly, the bigger picture becomes clear. This market has been making higher highs and higher lows. This isn't just a collection of candles. It's an uptrend. Now compare it with this chart. At first glance, it looks active, but once we zoom out, price is trapped inside a range. That's why identifying the market state is always my first step. Before every chart, remember this simple routine. The next time you open a chart, don't ask, should I buy? Ask, what kind of market am I looking at? In the next episode, we'll learn how to identify a trend with confidence. Read the chart, understand the story. Remember, indicators can help you make decisions, but price tells you the story.